Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by picking a reputable auto clicker and installing it. This prevents malware and unexpected behavior. Once done, run the installer as administrator so the program can bind to input events. Make sure to close overlays and gaming clients that may block synthetic clicks. Doing this avoids permission errors. You'll also enable any optional accessibility or input hooks during setup because those let the clicker simulate mouse events reliably. Now you have the app ready to configure. You now configure how the clicker behaves and why each option matters. First, pick click type, left for selection, right for context, double for rapid activation, because choosing correctly prevents wrong actions. Next, set the interval in milliseconds. Faster values increase throughput but risk missed inputs, while higher values are safer. Then choose location mode. Current cursor for manual targeting, fixed coordinates for repeatable tasks, or target window for apps that accept background click. You finish by testing and ensuring reliability. First, run the clicker in a small, controlled area and start with a slow interval so you can watch each click and confirm it hits the right target. Make sure you assign a clear hotkey to start and stop. An easy toggle prevents runaway clicking. If clicks don't register, verify the app has administrator privileges, enable input hooks or compatibility mode, and close interfering overlays. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.